Hey guys, this is Faizan and I'm here with a new video. In this video, I am showing you how to repair the iPhone 8 Plus. First up, you need to power off the phone. As you can see, I'm applying heat. Now I'm just using my Sesame and just lifting up the screen from the edges. I like to start from the bottom right. That's just what I like, but it doesn't have to be necessary that you start from the right or the left. And I'm gently working myself around the screen. Now I will open it from the top, and this opens just like a book. First thing is you want to make sure to unplug the battery cable. You can use either a Sesame or something plastic. In this case, it's water damage. I want to be a little bit careful and use plastic. If you see these red marks over here, that indicates the phone is water damaged. So I'm just gonna unplug this, unplug the LCD digitizer and the camera flex. I'll use my Sesame for this, as this is a little bit more deeper. This phone, as you can see, it's missing a plate, the 4 screws, and the plate on the top. So I am sure this phone has been repaired before somewhere. Or it could be refurbished. Now, it's gonna be the same process as any of the older iPhones. We're gonna take our tri-point screwdriver and take out the 4 screws that goes on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. All these 4 screws are the same sizes, so even if they mix up, that's not going to be a problem. Now we're going to disconnect this flex. And for the home button, I like to heat it because, like I said, it has strong adhesive. Now I will use my Sesame to go underneath. Gently take off the home button cable. You just have to make sure to get underneath the cable. And there you go. That's my home button. The next thing is to take off the camera and the speaker. Front camera and speaker. It has 6 screws, actually 5. That's 1. These screws are because of the water, I'm assuming, and some of them are also stripped, so just make sure to put pressure while you're taking off these screws. Whenever you get iPhone water damage, the screws are always going to have corrosion on it, and you can tell if the phone has been in water or not. Now I will just lift up this plate. Take out this speaker. And I'm going to use my heat gun to take out this flex cable attached with the front camera. And just like I mentioned before, if you're taking out any cable, make sure you start from anywhere, it doesn't matter, but just make sure to get underneath the cable. In this instance, I like starting from the right hand side and gently work myself around the cable, and now I can just pull it, and there you go. This is the front camera and the speaker. My new screen already comes with a back plate, so I do not have to worry about it. And this back plate, as I can see, it has corrosion, so I will just have the screen with the new back plate. This is the new screen. It comes with the new back plate, just like I mentioned. The first thing you want to do is peel off this blue plastic. And now we are going to just reverse the order of how we disassembled everything. We will put the home button first. Just like how we took out the home button, we're gonna assemble it the same way. Now we're gonna put the plate and the 4 screws. Mostly all iPhones from the iPhone 5 to the iPhone 8 Plus have the same process, so if you know how to do one of these iPhones, you can literally fix any of the iPhones from iPhone 5 to iPhone 8 Plus. Starting from the iPhone 10s, it is a bit different. We're also going to take out this blue plastic, and just like how we took out this wire, we're gonna first, if you can see these small holes, the 2 holes, we're just gonna fit that in the bracket of the screen. Squeeze in the proximity sensor inside the bracket of the screen. After that, we're going to take our ear speaker, place it accordingly, and put our front camera, wrap it around, and put the plate. Like I said, it's fairly simple. If you took out this cable, then I'm 100% sure you can put it back again the same way. Like I said, iPhones are the most easiest phones to fix. And like I said, I'm very new in making videos, so just hang on with me. I promise I will guide you towards the right path and not give you wrong information about any kind of repair. Now so the last part is very simple. We're just gonna plug in the camera cable and the 2 LCD wires back onto our board. So literally you're just gonna snap it. Put in the LCD, digitizer, battery. Perfect. When you see like it's squeezed in perfectly, you are good. And close the phone, snap it in, and we're done. Like I said, as long as you disassemble everything correctly and you remember on how you took out the cables, you will be fine in assembling it back again. It's literally the reverse order. If you do guys have any questions, please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.